Hi! In front of me is our 90 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by going into Gallery app and tapping on Agree at the bottom right corner. Then hit Get Started and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now to pick multiple right away, click on this dot at the top right corner. Then click on the other ones. Now to exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, click on them. Then to delete the rest, tap on Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!